first of all, we've got to cut two lengths at 280 millimetres. So if you're reasonably confident with a saw, cut it at 280. If you're not so confident with a saw, cut it at 290. You can clean it up with a block plane. But I'll take a punt. I'll back myself. So 280 millimetres. And what I do, and a lot of other people do, so it's just not me, is get a knife, put the knife in the line that you want to cut, move the square up and score down a good score, run the chisel up that cut line. So I've got a V going in and then a straight edge on the part. On the part I want to cut, it's straight. Then this part has a leading edge on it. Start it off. The trick with sawing is have your finger pointing in the direction you want to saw. So instead of a lot of people I've seen, they saw like that, your blade's going to go all over the place. You bring that pointer finger out, put it on the side of the saw, that's the direction you're going to saw, and you'll find you'll have much more stability with your sawing. Nearly through. When you're nearly through, just let the weight of the saw, don't force it, just the weight of the saw do the cutting. And here we go. There you go. All things being equal, that should be, where are we? That's fairly square that way. And I'm trying to find the camera. Pretty square that way, so I'm not going to lose any sleep over that.